So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Codersarts. So, today I have a really exciting Android app development project to share with you. We will be building a simple yet feature-packed Android application that display a list of the students' data using the recycler view and implement the localization in both French and Spanish. The app is named as the Student Info Viewer, as we can see. Let's zoom in. So here you can see the name of the application Student Info Viewer. I have already created it, and then we are going to implement the features like the localization in both French and Spanish. So and it will help you to understand how to work with the hard-coded data and recycler view and localization by using the Android using the Kotlin. And so let's dive right in. Okay, so let's create the project. Let's see how we can create a project. Go to the files and click on new and go to the new project. So here you can see a lot of screens here, which is the inbuilt screens, and in this screens you can see a empty view activity here. So you can select it and click on next. So here you have to give the name according to your convenient. That I have given it the student info viewer. Okay, so I have given the name, and I have given the name here and also provided the package name. You can also provide the package name according to your convenient, and you can save it according to your location. And the language you can select Java and Kotlin. You can select the Kotlin language here, and the minimum SDK version will be the 24. And you can also click here for choosing the SDK version, and you can also select the Kotlin DSL for the build.gradle, which is recommended by the Android Studio. So when you click on finish, you are going to get this screen, and after building the project you can get in the this screen, and you are getting this UI, inbuilt UI. It is generated automatically. So let's highlight what the things that we are going to do in this project. So in this project comes with the key features that will help you to understand some important project Android development concept. So first one is the hard coded data display. So we will be using the list of 100 dummy student entries, which include the information such as the name, roll number, school name, and the additional detail. And this is stored in the string.xml file and display using a recycler view for a clean and a scrollable list. Okay. And secondly, we are going to implement the localization, and localization is a very important role play in the Android application development. So we will be implementing the localization to support the both French and Spanish language, giving you the hands-on experience and how to cater the user speaking different languages. So this feature is the crucial for building the application for the target global audience. So, and thirdly, we are going to create a setting page. We will add a setting page to the application that allowing the user to switch between the languages easily. Okay, by the end of this video you will have to a functional app that can handle the localization and display a scrollable list in the recycler view, and use the hard-coded data effectively, whether you are building the personal project or learning for the professional development. This project will be a great addition to your portfolio. Okay, so what is the project overview? Let's see the project overview. Firstly, we have to create the UI using the XML layout, which includes the main screen and display the list and the student of the in the recycler view. Nextly, we are going to create a dummy data in the string.xml file, and by using the string array, and we are going to populate the list in the recycler view on the home screen. And after that, we have to work on the localization part. I will show you how to create a separate resource file for French and Spanish translation, and to change the app to the language based on the user preferences. So finally, we will build the setting page and let the user switch between the languages dynamically within the application. So in this project, you don't need to worry about anything. And if you're new to this concept, I will break down the everything into the simple, easy flow steps. And so make sure to watch the till end. By the time you are done, you are having a fully functional Android application that not only looks good but also support the multiple languages. So If you find this video helpful, so please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So uh, let's create the new feature implementation of in the main activity. So we can continue with this. Thank you everyone.